Hello everybody, this is Devrishik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how I'm looking at a website in an SEO aspect, of course, in order to build a report and know which issues on page indexing SEO this website has using SAY.V. Okay, so first of all, now I'm looking at the website israelcapitilo.com. Now, as you can see, this website has a menu, which is a scrolled menu, of course, on the desktop and on the mobile. Now, in a short brief, as I can see and tell, this website has a lot of links that are shareable, of course, to each page. Now, this takes a lot of space in the page. I suggest to delete some of those links and make only the primary links to share, to be able to share this specific page or each other page, of course. And as I can see, this page doesn't have any H1 on the home page. Now, it's a very short page without too much information, but as you can see, this is an e-commerce shop, so the primary things are the products. So let's go inside each category. As you can see, it's only one product. Now I suggest to add more products to those specific categories like chocolate, infusions, tea, and accessories. So you won't only have one product on those categories because it will look very, let's say not cheap, but very empty. This is not good for SEO as well, not only for the customer. Now, those other categories, as you can see, this category has 33 products. So let's say if you don't have more than one product on each category, just remove this category and put it on all, so it won't be humiliating, let's say, for this example. Now, if I take this website and put it on SAY.V.com right here and start analyze it. Now I quickly analyze the website and let's see if I can tell which page indexing issues in SEO, of course, on page this website has. Let's wait until the scan is over. So as you can see, this website has 155 pages and those are the issues. So as you can see, it has no organic monthly traffic, a good domain score, a bit, and some backlinks. 4 organic keywords in Israel, of course. I can choose other countries if I want to scan it again. But let's see this very important thing specific on the on-page website SEO, if I can tell which issues this website has. So let's go inside this page indexing, and check the issues. Here you can see it has some redirections. So fix those redirections. And let's see if it has 500 errors. So maybe it's broken, maybe it's uncrawlable. I'm not sure, but it's a server error. So fix that as well. Too short title, nothing. Too long title, nothing. So it's okay, good. Now let's see other pages. Issues that has duplicated age. No, it's not H1. It's title. More than one title on the HTML. Fix that as well. And missing meta description. Of course, you can put it with using SEO plugins like Yoast or Rank Math. Not any short meta description or too long meta description. More than 2 or 1. No, none. But too short text length in pages. As you can see, it's less than 350 words. So add more words on those specific pages like products as well. Duplicated H1, maybe it has the same H1 because it's products, or maybe it's the blog. Could be that those pages has the same H1, which is the blog name, just blog or category name, like articles. So fix that as well, it's not good for SEO. None of those too long URLs, no symbols and underscores within the slug, but URL as query parameters. So of course, query parameters means that it's a pagination issue. So fix that as well. Maybe put the product category not to be pagination, but maybe just to be infinity scroll or something using Elementor Pro. None in too many different subfolders. No index meta, of course, those pages maybe I don't want to index, and missing H1, only the home page, like I said. More than two, more than one H1, this is not good. Of course, you can fix that. It has to be only one H1 on each page, and it has to be unique. Now, missing H2 means that the subtitles doesn't exist on these specific pages. So fix that as well. And let's see, missing alt on images. Of course, put alts on each image for SEO and accessibility. Doesn't contain canonical, of course, maybe if you don't want to index those specific pages, so it doesn't have to contain any canonical. And that's it. No issues on the canonical URL that is different to itself, means that it's okay. So this is the system SEO SAY.V.com that I'm using in order to crawl the website on page to know which issues this specific page or website has. Now I can fix those and make this website crawl even better in Google and rank better. As you saw, it's very easy to use SAY.V in order to know which SEO issues we have on page in your website. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my footer on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.